Wait and see.
Meta Muse Spark 2.0 hits the market today running entirely on local silicon. That means zero API latency and complete code privacy. Your code never leaves the workstation. The inference happens right there on the PCIe bus. This release forces a direct confrontation with cloud-hosted giants. The architecture is optimized for low VRAM footprints. It runs efficiently on standard 8GB video cards, making it accessible to most developers without buying enterprise-grade hardware. This opens up AI pair programming to a wider audience who previously resisted cloud solutions due to data sovereignty concerns. Companies dealing with sensitive IP can now deploy coding agents without sending proprietary logic to external servers. The trade-off is purely computational. The host machine handles the load. The primary benefit here is speed. Cloud-based assistants often suffer from network latency, adding milliseconds to every request. Muse Spark 2.0 eliminates that round trip. A developer working on a large React codebase sees suggestions appear almost instantly after keystroke completion. The model runs locally, utilizing the consumer-grade hardware already present in the rig. This removes the dependency on internet connectivity and subscription-based token limits for the core inference engine. Integration with VS Code happens through a standard extension that communicates via a local WebSocket. The setup process is point-and-click rather than command-line heavy. Once active, the context window ingests the active file and open tabs to generate accurate function signatures and boilerplate code. Performance benchmarks show it handles standard auto-completion tasks faster than previous iterations, specifically in multi-file refactoring scenarios where context retention is crucial. You get the intelligence of a large model without the network bottleneck. Pricing for this model is distinct from the subscription models of competitors. Meta is offering the core weights for free, focusing on hardware adoption and establishing a dominant toolset. Users pay a one-time fee for the professional VS Code extension features, while the inference engine itself remains open source. This structure challenges the recurring revenue models established by other major AI labs. It shifts the cost from ongoing operational expenditure to upfront software licensing. The move validates the trend toward edge computing in software development. As models shrink in size and increase in efficiency, the reliance on massive centralized clusters decreases. Muse Spark 2.0 proves that high-quality coding assistance is possible on consumer hardware. If your workflow demands privacy or low latency, this is the tool to watch. It fundamentally alters the economics of running an AI coding assistant for a solo developer or a small team. We have put together a detailed installation guide and performance comparison in the description below. It covers the VRAM requirements, supported IDEs, and configuration steps needed to get the runtime running on your machine. Subscribe to Wait and See to keep your signal clear through the noise of AI.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Wait and See, your signal through the noise of AI.